Celebrities that have tragically lost their homes to the LA wildfires. Paris Hilton. Paris Hilton has confirmed that she watched her home burn to the ground on live TV, as the beachfront Malibu property she uses as a second home with her family got caught up in the Pacific Palisades fire. "This home was where we built so many precious memories," Hilton said. Leighton Meester and Adam Brody. Just days after attending the glitzy Golden Globe Awards together,
God, creator of the universe, zero mentions. No surprise in this godless town.
Leighton Meester and Adam Brody's Pacific Palisades home has been seen burnt to the ground. The pair lived there with their 2 young children and bought the 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom home for $6.5 million back in 2019. Photos posted online show smoke and flames erupting from the remaining structure of the house. Spencer Pratt and Heidi Montag have both documented the loss of their Pacific Palisades home on social media, with the stars of The Hills revealing Pratt's parents' home had also burned down too.
You're swimming in the pool, and the next day it's all gone.
Actor James Woods became visibly emotional during a live interview confirming that his home was gone. He had earlier posted photos to social media of the property, which had only just undergone renovations, up in flames. Things only got more emotional as Woods added that his wife's 8-year-old niece had offered up her piggy bank so that they could rebuild the property. "All the smoke detectors are going off in our house and transmitting to our iPhones," he wrote on X of how the tragedy unfolded. "I couldn't believe our lovely little home in the hills held on this long. It feels like losing a loved one." The former home of Matthew Perry, where the star also tragically died, was caught up in the wildfires. He purchased the cottage in the Palisades for $6 million in 2020, and the mid-century modern ranch-style home clocks measured at 2,696 square feet. Following his death, the home was sold for $8.5 million, with the sale only completing a couple of months ago. Its current owner has confirmed their family is safe, but didn't give any information about the state of the property. Yolanda Hadid. Yolanda Hadid's Carbon Canyon estate became an iconic backdrop to the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, and was also the home that raised Gigi and Bella Hadid, alongside their brother, Anwar. The sprawling property boasted orchards in the grounds outside the 6-bedroom, 11-bathroom layout, and was known for its quintessential Mediterranean style. "Tragic, Carbon Canyon is gone," Hadid wrote on Instagram alongside a photo of the blaze, sending love and support to all, praying this will end soon.
As you know, where I live is on fire right now. Literally, the entire city of the Pacific Palisades is burning.
Jamie Lee Curtis. Jamie Lee Curtis has a home in Pacific Palisades and has said she doesn't know the condition that it's been left in following the fires. "My community, and possibly my home, is on fire," she wrote on Instagram. "My family is safe. Many of my friends will lose their homes. Many other communities as well." She later made an emotional appearance on The Tonight Show, where she confirmed she wasn't home at the time. Jamie Lee Curtis and her family have since pledged $1 million to relief efforts. Billy Crystal. Billy Crystal has confirmed that he too has lost his home to the blaze and had lived there for almost 50 years. In a statement, Crystal wrote, "Janice and I lived in our home since 1979. We raised our children and grandchildren here. Every inch of our house was filled with love. Beautiful memories that can't be taken away. We are heartbroken, of course, but with the love of our children and friends, we will get through this." General Hospital star Cameron Matheson has confirmed that his home has been lost to the fire, sharing images of the devastation on social media, alongside an emotional statement. "We are safe, but this is what's left of our beautiful home, our home where our kids were raised, and where they wanted to raise their own someday," he posted. Actor Eugene Levy is the honorary mayor of Pacific Palisades, and also one of those who lost his $3.9 million home to the fire. The smoke looked pretty black and intense over Temescal Canyon, the 78-year-old told the LA Times, confirming his evacuation as he faced gridlocked traffic. I couldn't see any flames, but the smoke was very dark. Levy has owned the home since 2006. Anna Faris. The $4.9 million eco-home actor Anna Faris has been living in since 2018 has been lost. Situated in the Pacific Palisades area, the home is covered in wood paneling and boasted 5 bedrooms. The Zillow listing for the property stated that the home is LEED certified and provides energy efficiency and utilization of advanced technologies to enjoy it at the comfort of your home. Faris has so far not commented on the loss of the home. Actor Milo Ventimiglia held back tears as he toured the charred remains of his Malibu home during a live TV interview, the same place he shared with his pregnant wife, and they were hoping to raise their first child. John Goodman. While he hasn't yet commented on the loss himself, photos of John Goodman's charred home have been obtained by news outlets, showing not a single room left standing in the $4.6 million home. In the images, all that's left to be seen is a swimming pool blackened by the ash of the fire. He purchased the Pacific Palisades in 2008, and it formerly boasted 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms.
It's tragic. It makes you really sad. I was actually, there are neighbors I have. I felt worse for them than I did for myself. Strange mixture of sadness. I count my blessing, no matter what. These are things. They may or may not be replaceable, but they're only things. We're still here. Of course, it's very sad.
Miles Teller and Keeley Teller. Miles Teller's wife, Keeley Sperry, has shared the chilling last photo she snapped of their Pacific Palisades home before it went up in flames. Mandy Moore. Mandy Moore also lived in the area affected by the Eaton fire. She posted photos from her street, writing, "Miraculously, the main part of our house is still standing. For now, it's not livable, but mostly intact. Feeling weird survivor's guilt. We love this community and will do everything we can to help rebuild and support." Moore continued. Jennifer Love Hewitt. Jennifer shared a photo of the fires, which she'd seemingly taken from the window of her car. She wrote, "I have no words, only prayers and holding as much hope as I can for our home and our kids while we watch everything burn." Anthony Hopkins. Oscar-winning actor Sir Anthony Hopkins' home is among the thousands destroyed in the Los Angeles fires. The Port Talbot-born star posted a message on Instagram supporting those affected, saying, "The only thing we take with us is the love we give." Hopkins, who won Best Actor Oscars for The Silence of the Lambs in 1991 and The Father 30 years later, wrote, "As we all struggle to heal from the devastation of these fires, it's important we remember that the only thing we take with us is the love we give."